I've been trying to do a trade. The signal seems not to be forthcoming. Okay. Since I was expecting a signal to drop, but none dropped, so I'll just probably show you. At least you can see some of the previous trades that I had. 25x. Am I ready for 25x? 50x. Let's see. Okay, this should be 50x. Okay, I just entered 50x, although I've not refreshed, so I'll have to wait for it or go to, okay, it has showed up. All right, now you can see the trade has pulled through. That's 1, 2, 3. And I did this 1 o'clock. So I've only done like 3 trades today. Yeah, this one is less than 5 tick. Okay, I'm also a little bit distracted because I'm watching movie. Now, it's my signal service that's enabled me to be able to do that. Ordinarily, I won't be able to do that. The sound, background sound you're hearing is a movie. So I'm watching a movie and I'm also trading, right? Now, let me show you. At least you saw the signal when it showed up. So, no point in showing the signal. There were 2 that showed up. I had 51x and 25 1x, right? So I picked one. That's all you have to do. You have to pick one. You don't do both at the same time. No, because of time factor. Now, let me go to the profit table. You can see that my balance is now 105. That's because today I've only been able to do 3 trades. So let's go to the profit table. I just want to show you probably just few days. 1, 2, day 1, day 2. The rest I may not be able to show you. Okay. The one you're saying $10, I didn't know it would have been 4 trade. That's why I'm not doing any more trade. Why? I didn't know it was $10 that was there. So that's why you're saying that $1. So it should have been $5 or $6 or so. So I had 3 trades. You can see the dates. This is 14. I started like, you should know, on their own time, our own 12 o'clock is like their own 23. Then our own 1 o'clock is their own 00. So that's why you're saying 00, and that's why you're saying 14. So the trade is for today, which is 15th, right? So 15th is the trade for today. So I've only done how many? 4 actually. I did 4 trades, starting with this one, which was tick, right? But it was $10. It was $10. I never knew it was $10. So I would have hit my target. The plan is to just stick to making 50%, 4 trades. So since I couldn't make that trade, that is gone. Now, there was a trade I hinted, I think it was the second trade. Now look at the main first trade, is just 3 tick. This is the trade I entered that I spent 2 minutes. Why? I entered 15 seconds late. It was not ready, right? The index was not ready, so I had to refresh. While I was refreshing, it took time. I entered late. I entered at the bottom, so I knew I was going to wait. So I waited 2 minutes. I think exactly 2 minutes. That was when it pulled through. So, but you can see it's 12.84%. So I've won all my trades, right? Now, it is not about you doing plenty trade. It's just all about you doing it slow, steady, small. You don't need to do plenty. You follow the rule, you will be safe. So in this case, I will consider me doing 3 trades. It's just 3 trades. 3 trades, yes. Officially, it's just 3 trades. The last one I did in the recording is 51x. As long as you enter the trade under 15 seconds after you got the signal, you're okay. Once 15 seconds is passed, don't bother, leave it alone, let it go. That was what happened to the one I entered late, right? I spent longer time for the trade to pull through. Now, this is possible with the use of TMNmedia signal service, and is only available to my students. And now, remember, this account, I've made a video previously, how you saw me made. Today's profit is like 35%. Yeah, today's profit is 35. Imagine if you make see that's okay. That's 50. I just enter 50. So maybe we'll just complete it, right? We'll just complete the trade. So that I can just say I've completed. All right, you can see the trade has pulled through, right? So 51x. You saw the signal, right? That's 105. And that's less than 5 tick. At how many percent? 13.88%. Okay, so that's me making roughly. I think it's still not up to. It should be up to 50%, really. Yeah, it should be up to 50%. That's like $25. Okay, you can see if I had $60, 25. Yes, that's exactly. So you can see my money is now 112. This is how you're going to be growing slow, steady. But you see, I've done all this. The signal will still be coming. Maybe you don't know. See, the signal will still be coming. Coming as once it's available, it's going to show up. It's going to sound. It's going to be coming consistently. Okay, let me show you the number of signal so far from about 12 o'clock. 21 signals have showed up so far from 12 o'clock. That's 1 hour, 21 signals. So you need to understand, does this thing work? Yeah. That's what I'm using to trade. At least you can see live and direct. You can see live and direct trading with it. So this account, I started with it. Let me show you from the statement. That one is better. Statement is better in showing you. You will see when deposit was made. You can see $60, right? See deposit, $60. Now, what do we have? We have double. So we have 100%. So in 2 days, I've made 100%. Yes, I've made 100%. In 2 days, I've made 100%. So you need to understand, I'm trading with $50. I've already made $50. In fact, $52. So you need to understand, it is important. Once you follow the rule, you will get the result. This is day 2. I may not be able to be recording and showing you day by day how the whole thing is going. I may not be able to do that. But one thing I'll be able to do is a weekly update. I will try and provide. God bless you. Hey, remember to start slow and steady. Once you hit your target, stop. Get a book. Get a book. It is not a joke. Okay, it is not a joke. I like to show you so that you understand. Everything I teach you, I practice. You can see the trades I did today. Okay, this was yesterday's zone, right? Yesterday's zone, we had 50.94%. Today's zone, I've not calculated it yet, but I'm going to calculate it. I made another $1 or something. I'm going to add it to it and calculate. And that's a wrap for day 2. So I'm going to do this for 10 days. I've already shown you this. I've already showed you this. So guys, it's important you understand. Is it possible? Yeah. Slow, steady, do not rush. If you rush, hey, you're going to lose. God bless you. See you another time.